fix Windows Defender won't start in Windows 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if the Windows Defender won't start in your Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Windows Defender won't start, the first thing you can try to do is just restart your computer. Yes, restarting will most likely always solve most of the issues that you have with your computer, so try to restart it to see if that helps you. After that, you can restart the security center, and you can also try to update your Windows for the latest security checks, right? So just check for updates. The other is if you have actually went ahead and then let's say disable personal or virus, anything like that. If you have disabled Windows Defender, then in that case also you will not be able to do it. So you want to make sure that virus and threat protection is actually turned on over here. So once you've done all this, you should hopefully be able to solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.